Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Continuing north along South Las Vegas Boulevard, we soon reach one of the city's most famous landmarks, the Little Church of the West. Set back slightly from the road and surrounded by palms, this small wooden chapel has hosted weddings for more than 70 years and remains one of the most photographed buildings in Las Vegas. The chapel was built in 1942 as part of the original Last Frontier Hotel, designed to resemble a traditional Western parish with timber walls and simple steeple. Over the decades, it has been moved several times as the city expanded, yet has always stayed close to this stretch of the boulevard. Today it's listed on the National Register of Historic Places, the only structure on the Strip with that distinction. Las Vegas is sometimes called the wedding capital of the world, and this little chapel helped start that reputation. More than 70,000 couples are married in Clark County every year. Here the process is quick and straightforward. Marriage licenses are issued daily with no waiting period, and ceremonies can be performed within minutes. But while the weddings are easy, the divorces aren't. Ending a marriage in Nevada still requires residency, paperwork, and court approval, which makes for an interesting contrast. A city known for instant vows, but not instant exits. That paradox is part of what makes Las Vegas unique, a mix of celebration and commitment framed by neon lights. From the chapel we continue north, following the long curve of South Las Vegas Boulevard. Past the Mandalay Bay Convention Center, the golden towers of Mandalay rise ahead, signaling the true southern gateway of the main strip. The convention center itself is one of the largest in the United States, hosting everything from technology expos to major entertainment industry events. This stretch of road between the Little Church of the West and the Mandalay Bay captures two very different sides of the city, the intimate and the monumental. One represents personal moments that last a lifetime, the other, mass gatherings that shape global business. Yet both sit along the same boulevard, sharing the same skyline and story. As we continue north towards the entrance of Mandalay Bay, the strip begins to change character. The buildings grow taller, the signage brighter, and the city's main stage begins to unfold ahead. From here, every step brings us deeper into the modern heart of Las Vegas.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.